If you're the parent of an infant or you take care of infants, you should have access to a fully stocked first aid kit. It should be in a sturdy, watertight container, clearly labeled, and everyone should know where it is located. It should be stored in a cool, dry area, well out of reach of young children. If you're taking care of lots of infants, you may need a few first aid kits. As a parent, you should have one in your home and in your car. On a regular basis, you should check for outdated items and expired medications. Items should be replaced when used, so the kit is fully stocked for the next emergency. While recommendations for first aid kit contents can vary from region to region, every kit should include some essentials. For a list of these essential items, download the bonus PDF First Aid Kit contents. When you tell somebody to call for help in an emergency, tell them also to get the first aid kit or assign somebody else to get it.